Hey guys, I'm happy to have Juan here with me for another call. A few weeks have passed since we went live with our merger. So on October 8th, we released all the indicators, all the algos, and all the core strategies. But as you probably have seen on ProRealAlgos.com, there are new product categories coming, and today is the day. So today we are releasing the product category called code snippets. So code snippets are a very large set of different ProRealTime codes that can be used to enhance and improve your manual trading as well as your automatic trading. This code snippet library contains codes both from Juan and FX Automate as well as code snippets from ProRealAlgos. And there are a lot of powerful stuff here, like money management code, advanced trailing stop codes, filters, and optimization codes, and yeah, a lot more. Maybe Johan, you could tell me a bit of the briefly just talk through about some of the code snippets that you are adding to this library.
Thank you, Cole. Yes, I'm very excited about the snippet library, and I think all the viewers and the clients of ProRealAlgos will and should be very excited about this offering and this value add. So as coders, we all use snippet or code libraries, and simply what this means is, it's not necessary for us as developers to constantly reinvent the wheel. And one very simple example of this is, let's say we are coding a strategy and we are looking to use money management in our strategy. Now, money management simply means, are we using a static position size, or are we scaling our position size according to the growth and performance of our account? So there are various ways to approach that, and what we have is a rather extensive library of different money management codes that will be made available should you just wish to implement that. All of these obviously being plug and play, meaning you can just copy and paste them, and they are ready to be used. Another example of code snippets that is very useful is indicator functions within ProRealTime does not necessarily include the full and open code for that indicator function. A very simple example being the Bollinger Bands. So from ProRealTime we can call the Bollinger Bands, but we cannot adjust the standard deviation. So in our snippet library we will have the Bollinger Band indicator code available, and you can then simply copy that piece of code, and you already have the Bollinger Band period, calculation period, as well as the deviation parameter that can be adjusted as needed. There are many different snippets and pieces of code that will be making available. From my side, for example, I will be offering the Heuristics algorithm as well. So as far as I know, I was one of the first people to experiment with machine learning within ProRealTime, and one of the things that came out of that was my Heuristics algorithm. And what that basically does is it allows us to take one of the variables in our algorithm or our piece of code, and it allows this heuristics, let's call it engine, or this heuristics function to manage or control that variable. That means it will dynamically adjust that variable according to the performance of our strategy. So the algorithm will be looking at the various performance measurements of the strategy, and depending on whether the current value is performing good or not, it will then adjust that value to find a better performing value, and that helps us to have a strategy that is more robust and that can adapt to different market environments and to changing market conditions. There are obviously a lot of other benefits as well to having a snippet library. So another example would be, for example, to find better ways to exit your strategies, or your your positions. So we call those typically exit management. or entry management, depending on how you want to look at it. And it's simply a way of saying, are we going to exit our trades using a trading stop? There are so many ways to approach a trading stop, and in the code library, you will have access to these different trading stops. We have also, at least from our side, I've developed quite a number of custom exit codes. So those will be made available to you as well. And this is really an exciting product. And I would really think that this would be something to really benefit your coding experience.
Yeah. So what we will try to do over the coming days is to try to explain these code snippets in comprehensible ways, and also give instructions on how these different code snippets can be used. We are also going to add code snippets similar to what you have described. One noteworthy one of ours is a average true range mean, an intraday mean. It's kind of a indicator. You can use it as an indicator, but it's very strong in finding good entry points for strategies that are a mean reversion strategy. So it's looking at the average true range and adding some more calculations in order to find a very probable mean reversion level in the price where you can enter trades. And this code snippet can be used in almost all mean reversion strategies. So you just simply copy and paste it into a strategy that you already have, an existing one, and you change a few values, and you can quite quickly enhance and improve your already existing automatic trading systems. That's the case for many of our code snippets. As we have been mostly focused on building algos, our code snippets are mostly related to like optimization, trade filters, and things that you can just quite quickly just copy and paste into your already existing trading system to make it better in just a few minutes. One should always, of course, be aware of not overfitting or curve fitting the systems, but I think that our code snippets together with your code snippets, Johan, can really create a comprehensive library of snippets that people can use, that traders can use in both their manual and their automatic trading. So we're really happy about that. Yeah, and I think probably we were going to make more videos going into more detail on some of these code snippets. And also in the coming weeks, we're also going to release the other product categories, like the edges. Edges are a product category that also could be called statistics. So every trader knows that you need to find your edge in the market, and the way to do that is to have access to statistics. So what this product category will include are statistics like which day of the month is the best day to go long in the SP 500 market, or it could be like what is the probability of the day ending in a positive note, meaning that the numbers are green if the first hour of trading is negative, and statistics like that you can also use in your manual and your automatic trading. And that's something that we will be releasing quite soon as well.
So that actually reminds me, Cole. A question I've been asked a lot, especially from newer traders, is so which moving average is best? And again, there is an answer to that. With the tools that we have available, it's very easy for us to test. On different markets, we are able to test all the different moving averages to see, is there really a moving average that is respected more than others? And those are just one of a number of examples and edges that we will be making available. So this is another exciting offering and value add that I think our clients would be very happy to get their hands on.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, so what do you say, Johan? Perhaps that's that. Then we encourage anyone to follow this YouTube channel, as we will be publishing a lot more videos over the coming weeks and months. All right. So thank you for watching, guys, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.
Cheers, everyone.